VAWA for men and women. Understand your rights.
Greetings. I am Attorney Edwin Fogam, an immigration attorney. Our issue for today is VAWA, Violence Against Women's Act. What you need to know about it. Now, VAWA is a bill that was passed in 1994 to protect victims of domestic violence. And there are certain immigration-related provisions in this bill. One of the immigration-related provisions in this bill provides that a foreign national can seek and obtain permanent residency in the United States if they can demonstrate that they had or have suffered abuse perpetrated by a U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse, parent, or adult child. Now, this procedure or this process is confidential, and it doesn't really matter the status of the foreign national. So what needs to be shown or what needs to be proven to qualify for this? There are four things that the foreign national seeking to qualify under VAWA needs to show. First, the foreign national needs to establish the qualifying relationship that this abuse was perpetrated by a U.S. citizen, spouse, parent, or adult child. Secondly, the applicant needs to show that they actually physically lived with this quote-unquote abuser for a reasonable length of time. Third, they need to be persons of good moral character, and they should not have committed any crime. And fourth, and very important, they have to establish the abuse. Now, physical abuse, which is referred to in the code as battery, or psychological abuse, which can be extreme cruelty. This includes things like threats, economic abuse, and other things that are not necessarily physical in nature. So if and when the foreign national shows or demonstrates these things, they will be able to file the petition directly for this purpose. And as I said, it is a confidential process, and this applies to both men and female, right? Male and female. And one important aspect to consider in this application is that a strong VAWA case can assist someone who has been ordered removed to seek reopening of the proceedings for purposes of this. So I hope this information was helpful to you, but I would like you to understand that these provisions or these requirements have to be very carefully and detailedly articulated. Therefore, if you are seeking assistance, make sure you find or you seek somebody who knows what they're doing and how they can actually help you in this. We will be glad to assist you if you contact us. Our phone number is 301-608-1555, or you can send us an email, ekfogam@fogamlaw.com or info@fogamlaw.com. Again, I hope this information was helpful to you, and thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.